Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover directly inside Premiere Pro. No extra software needed. Let's get started. Before recording, make sure your microphone is connected and recognized by your computer. You can check it in Premiere Pro, Settings, Audio Hardware, and select your microphone under Input Device. And then press OK. Create or open a sequence where you want to record your voiceover. Scroll down to the audio tracks in your timeline and pick one that's empty. If you don't see a little microphone icon on your audio track, click on the timeline display settings or the little wrench icon above the timeline. Customize audio header, and here make sure your voiceover record is selected. To record your voiceover, move your playhead to where you want to start recording, and then click on the microphone icon, and Premiere will give you a 3-second countdown and then start recording. Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to our Premiere Pro tutorial. Talk clearly, and when you're done, hit the spacebar to stop. Your voiceover will automatically appear as an audio clip in your timeline. You can now trim your voice clip, adjust volume in the effects controls or essential sound panel, and add effects like denoiser, reverb or EQ to clean it up. Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to our Premiere Pro tutorial. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.